Oh, now you want me, huh? Hi, little Liam.
She's sure.
Poor baby. Cold. This is my sister's sheep farm. Peekaboo. Here's some of the babies. They're big babies. How much do those ones weigh about, Kim? Like 14?
18 maybe?
Oh, 18 pounds. There's Maud. Let's get a good video of Maud. This has been Kimmy's sheep since before they were married, and they've been married for 9 years. Almost 10 years. There's some more babies over there. But this little guy over here is one that they've been feeding. And she's a girl, but and she's tiny. They just weighed her and she weighs how much? 6 pounds.